So, cooking historically has been a task that I've chosen to do by myself. And not for any particular reason, but mostly because I was used to always cooking or baking by myself.
Today, we're making cookies.
But I'm trying to change that. And this video is an example of that. So, me and my partner, we baked cookies together, and it was probably our second time like baking something together. And I thought to myself, why have I not done this more? Like, why is this not more of a norm? And I want to make it more of a norm because sharing your skills with somebody and teaching them, in addition to bonding with them through a task that you love, is an amazing experience. And if you are someone who loves to cook or paint or garden or whatever it may be, maybe consider inviting a friend or a family member to do it with you.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Have a good one.